Hi, my name is Nilo Sanchez. I'm an attorney with the law office of Sanchez and Associates. I want to talk to you today a little bit about collaborative dissolution of marriage. Collaborative dissolution of marriage is a formal process that we often engage in order to come up with an amicable resolution in a dissolution of marriage case. The hope is to be able to resolve this amicably between the parties without the need of having to go in front of a court and having the judge be the decision maker of the matters before the court. With the collaborative dissolution of marriage, there's a team that is assembled. The team will consist of neutral individuals. These neutral individuals are professionals who are working for both parties, and they are individuals that very often result in it being a forensic neutral, financial neutral, which typically is a forensic CPA, and that person is part of the team to assist with the financial matters of the case, to address income, to address expenses, to deal with assets, and to also deal with valuation issues as well. The other neutral is a facilitator. The facilitator is a mental health individual who is there to assist us and navigate the process so that cooler heads are always prevailing. On the team, there are two non-neutral individuals. The two non-neutral individuals are your attorneys. And your attorney who is working with you as part of this team is basically giving you advice as part of the collaborative process. Very often it consists of having team meetings where we're all present, and we usually have an agenda so that we can make the meeting as productive as possible. And the goal is to complete each of the agenda items and striving to get to a point where we reach what we call a collaborative marital and property settlement agreement, which is an amicable resolution to your dissolution of marriage case. The attorneys that are involved in the case, part of the formal process of this is that should the case not resolve amicably between the parties and the parties are required to now seek a litigation, they are not allowed to work with the attorneys that represented them in the collaborative process. This is designed for a specific purpose, and that is to incentivize the parties to try to come up with an amicable resolution. It also promotes more harmony when we're at the meetings. You're not having to be concerned that the attorney that's representing your spouse will be potentially someone one day that might be examining you in court. So it's intended to let us all have an opportunity in more of a relaxed atmosphere in coming up with the resolution. I've been fortunate to be involved in many collaborative cases, and I can tell you that it usually results in very positive endings, and it allows parties to proceed with the next chapter of their life. And specifically, if there's children that are involved, it also allows the parties to, in my estimation, to have a better opportunity at co-parenting because the agreement was reached very deliberately by them in the collaborative process. If you have any questions about a collaborative dissolution of marriage, I encourage you to give me a call. Encourage you to look it up more on your own as well so you can be well informed. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'm Nilo Sanchez with the law office of Sanchez and Associates. Thank you and have a nice day.